What is the computer-based IELTS test? It is a new test offered by IELTS, which is done on a computer. It is an alternative to the paper-based IELTS exam. You can choose any of the two exam types. However, the computer-based IELTS is not available in all test centers. Before booking for computer-based exam, make sure this option is available in the test center you are booking in. To learn more about IELTS computer-based IELTS exam and see how it looks like and how it works, please subscribe and watch the playlist for writing, listening, and reading test on the link below. So, the IELTS computer-based exam doesn't use answer sheets where you transfer your answers. Your answers are automatically stored in the computer, and the speaking test is the face-to-face interview, just like the old one, but the reading, the writing, and the listening test are done on the computer. So have a look on the link below on how it looks and how it works. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, click the button below. Please subscribe, and thank you. See you again on the next video. Goodbye.